Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. Firstly, check is your Bluetooth turned on, open control panel and enable it. Now it reconnect to your Android device automatically, but on iOS we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and we need to click these earbuds here. And now we have connection. You can also try to do this on your Android, maybe it also works with your device. Next step, we need to perform a software reset. To perform a software reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case, and now this earbud is disconnected, then remove it from the charging case. Your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, and maybe this one fix your problem. But as you can see, this time, no, I don't need, but maybe also you need to press again on them. At least you can try to do this if you don't want to reconnect automatically. Then I recommend it to perform a factory reset. Firstly, we need to remove the earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pairing device at the top, and now we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold the touch area spot located at the back side until you'll see the red LED light on both your earbuds. After that, release your fingers and then press and hold again, and we need to check if the LED light flashing blue. It means that it's resetting. If it flashing blue and red, you need to again add these earbuds to your phone, because it happened with these earbuds, and then turn off it, remove it, and repeat this process. Now press and hold again for at least 3 seconds to turn on them. Here we go, and now we wait until it finished the reset, and then it will enter to pairing mode automatically. Here we go, and now it should enter to pairing mode. So tap at your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. Also, I have one more option for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on an Apple device and then on Android. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So on your iPhone, open settings, and you need to find general settings. So scroll down, here we have them, tap at these settings and scroll down. At the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone, and you need to tap at this line, then click reset, and right here you need to select reset network settings. We cannot reset only Bluetooth settings, so like Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap on it, then you need to write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove your Wi-Fi networks from your home. From your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to Android. And you need to open settings and find system. So I have stock Android and reset options located in the system. Then we need to scroll down, and at the bottom here's reset options. Tap at this line, and right here you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap at this line and click reset, but again you will totally remove your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!